Hi, let's talk about WhatsApp as an essential tool for digital marketing. WhatsApp has, the last time I checked, WhatsApp has 5 plus billion downloads. Wow. All right, 5 plus billion downloads, and I am not sure of this, but I know that the number of active users of WhatsApp is in millions. No matter the country you are, where you can actually Google the statistics of the number of active users, WhatsApp active users in your community or in your country. All right, to be sure of this. Okay, WhatsApp is one tool that is very essential. Okay, there's actually nobody in digital business, especially the information marketing business, that will say they have not had their own WhatsApp class or WhatsApp seminar, WhatsApp masterclass, or whatever. Everybody. Okay, I had my first class online on WhatsApp. Okay, before we grew to having Zoom, Telegram came, and every other means of hosting people online for a class, for a masterclass, for a seminar, or whichever way of passing information to a group of people, we have used WhatsApp. All right, and WhatsApp have also become a tool that can help you scale profitability in your digital business. Okay, I have used WhatsApp a lot, like I said. Okay, in fact, there are so many ways that people have started leveraging on WhatsApp to generate income. Okay, now one of the ways is by selling your status. Okay, currently I sell my status. Okay, that is by selling my status, I mean you have to pay so that you can advertise your product or service on my WhatsApp status. Okay, a lot of people do this. Some people even charge over 10,000 naira for 24 hours on their WhatsApp status. Okay, as funny as this is business. Okay, and people have actually started this and used it as another source of revenue in their business. So how are you going to start doing this? If you want to start selling your status, number one, you must make sure that you have at least 100 persons, even though that 100 might be small, but 100 persons that see your WhatsApp status. Now by 100 persons, I don't actually mean 100 anybody's. Okay, now whenever someone wants to advertise on my WhatsApp status, I will always ask what kind of product or service you want to advertise. Okay, some people have come with something different from the kind of audience that I have on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp audience are majorly people interested in digital business. Okay, and majorly people interested in anything online business. Okay, these are the kind of people that I have their contacts, okay, or have come in contact with me. All right, so if what you want to maybe you want to advertise a fashion thing, my WhatsApp status might not actually be the place to advertise it on. But if there's someone else who maybe sells clothes, right, and have had customers that have bought clothes from her or him, then that person's WhatsApp status might be the right place. Okay, so first off, determine kind of audience you have on WhatsApp. Okay, who are the major category of persons that you've collected their numbers that see your status. Okay, who are those people? So you make sure that you have at least 100. Okay, so that when people are advertising, you can tell them, hey, these are actually the people that are on my status. These are actually the people I have on my status. Okay, so they will have that at the back of their mind. All right, so that your status will much generate results for people who your audience matches their product or service. Okay, now I've actually bought or hired, I've actually booked some influencers WhatsApp status, and I got massive results. Okay, I've used 5,000 to make over 20s of thousands from advertising my product or service on somebody else's WhatsApp status. Okay, that was before I started growing mine. Okay, so this is a way that people are making good money online just using WhatsApp. So whenever I host a free class, I use that as an opportunity to get more people to save my contact, and I save theirs. Okay, so what I would normally do is very simple. Instead of sharing the group link like some people would do, I will share my contact. All right, since it's a free class, and of course I'm already a known influencer, right? A lot of people would always want to get one value or information from me, so it's always so easy to host a free class and massive amount of persons getting to join the class. All right, so I would send my contacts instead of the group link. Okay, and you know that before you send someone a message on WhatsApp, that that person must have saved your contact, right? So I would normally send my contact instead, or share my contact, my WhatsApp contact. So you send me a message on WhatsApp and get added to the group. This is just something I do intentionally, right? So the next way is that whenever I'm invited to talk on WhatsApp groups, okay, I use some tricks to get people to save my contacts, and I save theirs. Okay, sometimes I will say, if you want a free ebook from me about so and so, you would have to save my contact, send me a message that you sent my contact, and I will save yours and give you the ebook. Yeah, so you would say that what if someone doesn't save your contact, and you won't know? You will know when somebody saves your contact because you see that person's status, right? So these are also ways. Now, some people actually do this. I don't do this, and I don't really know why. I kind of don't like it when someone shouts you up from a group and says, "Hi, my name is Eric, and I'm a technopreneur. I saw you in so and so group. I thought we should exchange contacts, yada yada yada." You know, I don't do this, but it's also a good way to get people to save your contact and you save theirs. All right. So all this is just for the purpose of increasing your WhatsApp audience, all right, so that over time, when you see at least 100 persons that are most likely going to be in that share a common interest, okay, that are interested in one piece of information or the other, it will be easy for you to sell your WhatsApp status to people that would want to advertise their product or service. Okay, so another way that you can make money on WhatsApp is the one I've already said it before: hosting WhatsApp classes. All right, I hosted my first premium class on WhatsApp. I hosted my first free class on WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp is such an amazing application, at least the group setting. Okay, the group messaging feature, where you gather people in a group and you can actually lock it up, all right, so that only you can get to send messages in that group, and the people just read. Okay, you can send messages either as a video file, as audio file, as text. All right, so that is also another way of making money with your WhatsApp. Okay, another third way of making money with your WhatsApp is the use of WhatsApp Business. Okay, now WhatsApp Business has this awesome I guess I heard it have actually been upgraded to make it even more easier for you to shop on WhatsApp. By this I mean you can create a catalog of your product or of your service. Right, you can create a catalog whereby you can update the catalog with things that you offer as a service or product. If you sell physical products, all right, you can actually update them there, write the name, the description, the amount. All right, we have not actually seen that feature, but I heard that it is now easier for you to, it's been updated or upgraded so that it will be easier for people to buy stuff using WhatsApp. Now in some countries, I think in South America, right, in country, I guess India have also joined. In some countries actually, WhatsApp is now used as a means of making payments, just like WeChat in China. All right, you can now use WhatsApp to make payment, like send payment to somebody in that country, in the Western world. Anyway, it's not yet available in Nigeria. Obviously, to come to Nigeria, because we are all using WhatsApp, it will definitely come down here. Okay, so these are actually awesome ways that you can use your WhatsApp to grow your business, right? To scale profitability, okay, and also get more people. Okay, another thing I actually forgot to say, just like your email marketing, all right, when you've gotten people to save your contact, it is easy to broadcast messages. I have used broadcast message to create both awareness of master classes I'm having or events I'm having, and I've also used WhatsApp broadcast messages to get people to sign up for my events, to buy my ebooks or sign up for my events. So there are so much things that is attached to using WhatsApp to scale your business online, all right, and I've mentioned some. You can go and find out more. If there is more and you wish to share, please drop it on the comment section. If you've got value from this video and you'd like to keep receiving videos or watching videos from me, it's very simple. Subscribe on the button down below and turn on the notification by hitting that bell icon, and YouTube will always notify you that I have a fresh video. See you on Thursday for another episode of Mobile Money Thursday.